Hi, I'm Martin, welcome back. Yesterday I couldn't wait to get my tandoor fired up again, so I thought I'd cook my favourite dish, or one of my favourites anyway, shawarma chicken. The weather was a bit hit and miss. Sometimes, a lot of the time it was raining, then it stopped and the sun came out, but we got away with it, and I think I had a good success. So enjoy the video, subscribe, like and leave me a comment if you want to. So it's a bit of a strange day weather-wise today. It's sunny, then it's raining. There's black clouds up there, so I've got my brolly over my tandoor. I'm not going to let this put me off. Okay, so I've got the tandoor lit. All that's going to get all nicely warmed up. Look at this. It's absolutely bloody pouring. Absolutely pouring. But it's not going to stop me. And the other thing I just wanted to mention, I had a comment on a previous video about somebody saying, whatever you do, do not build a tandoor out of flower pots. It will crack, it will break, it will be useless in no time at all. Now, I have got a crack on the side of that, but I built this tandoor in May and I've been using it every couple of weeks since then, and it's September now, so it hasn't all fallen to bits, it hasn't all cracked up and broke. It's working perfectly okay. So if you want to watch any of my previous videos, yes, it is okay to build a tandoor out of flower pots. Okay, so I've got my tandoor on now, got that nicely warming up. I've got my spike that my mates bought me this for my birthday back in February, and I've had quite a lot of success with it so far. So I've got a kilo of chicken there, which is a mix of thighs and breasts that I've flattened down. That's been marinating nice. And then what I've also got is some slices of onion, okay, which I'm going to put on as well. Okay, so let's get my gloves on, and then what I'm going to do is build up my kebab and we'll get cooking. So as I say, let's put these over here, and whatever you do, make sure you don't put your fingers over the spike. So I put that on there, just put an onion slice on. There we go. So I'm going to be ready to cook soon. I've got my temperature gauge in there. I just wanted to show you what I've done so that we can cook the kebab. So I've got the coals glowing down there, look. But also what I've done, look, is I've set up like a grill that I happened to come across. I don't exactly know what it's for, but it fits the tandoor nice. So what I've done, I've put that in there, look, and just suspended it using a couple of skewers. Right, so the tandoor is now reading 190 C. So I think we're going to get this chicken in now. Let's get, I'll tell you what we do need to do. Need to put my temperature probe in. Let's get that in first. We're in. put the lid on. We'll let that cook away nicely now. Okay, so my temperature probe is telling me I've got 75C. So let's get it out and let's have a look at it. Blimey, that's hot. Alright, let's get that out. That's looking good. Put them there. Get these off. Put them over there. Now the trick is now how I'm going to get it off. Now that's looking good. That is looking good. So we've got that out, it's looking good. Let's just give that a slice down and see what we've got. Look at that. Right, proof's in the pudding. Let's have a taste. I know it's not pudding. Oh. Oh, it's absolutely crack on.